Hey guys, we got a 1-minute tool tip here for you. And this is the new generation of gloves used for gluing. You know, it's a combination of a stretchy material and a harder but flexible plastic, and it keeps that glue and primer off of your fingers and still gives you a really good grip and tactile sensation for gluing, grabbing those larger pipe sizes and pushing them into the socket and all the wrangling around that you have to do. But it does keep that PVC glue and primer off of your hands, and we know it says it on the cans that this stuff contains suspected possible carcinogens, which means it could possibly be cancer causing. And I went the majority of my career without using gloves just because the ones that came before just weren't as good as this. But I'm telling you, go out and get some of these and use them.